Guys, how cool is this? This is Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This is one of the original movie cars. This car was driven by Nicolas Cage. This is the weirdest seatbelt ever. Look, even worse, I'm not as skinny as Nicolas Cage. Can't put it on. It's ridiculous. Should we turn her on? Alright, let me show you around. Take a look at this. These are fake air vents. Here, they were applied especially for the movie. 11 cars were made for the movie, but only 3 hero cars. That means they could drive in the movie, and this is one of those 3. In the movie, they look completely different because they were actually fake exhaust tips in the movie. The exhaust actually came out the back, and this was just for show. After the movie was completed, they wanted to sell the cars, so they changed the exhaust tips and made them functional. Ready? There's the nitrous. And this does actually work if you want it to. You know where I found this? In East Germany. That's where I am right now with Chrome Cars. They own the car. And this is super rare, super special. Back in 2013, one of the other 3 original sold at auction for $1 million. That's how cool and unique and expensive this car is. Alright.